The idea behind this roof was to completely air seal uh, the structure. That means make it easy for weatherproofing it, which means the problem always is with walls intersecting with the roof. When you build the roof and you try to provide the roof overhang at the same time, later on those intersections are very difficult details to make it airtight and vapor tight. So what we did, we ended up framing the house, then putting an insulation layer on top of the roof deck, and then building the roof overhang, which is a little unusual and time consuming, definitely materials consuming, but it's really worth it because you have a simple box that you put a weather resistive barrier over, then you put a continuous layer of insulation, which was this Rockwool comfort board, and we did 2 layers of comfort board 80 to achieve 3 inches. So it's a continuous layer of R12 when it comes to insulation, our value. And then to protect that layer of insulation, we installed Mento Connect. It's a membrane made by ProClima. And on top of that, we laid 2x6 LVLs on a flat because they're super strong. They allow for long overhangs. In our case, we're talking about 3 feet roof overhangs on either side. We installed ledger boards in a crisscross pattern with the LVLs. On top of ledger boards, we installed aluminum sheet metal roof, and the choice was dictated by shortage of materials, which actually ended up really good for us because now we have aluminum material which will never corrode. We wanted to go with galvanized sheet metal, thinking that it's going to be less expensive because no matter what kind of sheet metal roof you're going to go with, it's 3 to 4 times more expensive than asphalt shingles. But my roofer mentioned that, well, there's not much of a cost difference between sheet metal aluminum and galvanized, powder coated. So why don't we go with aluminum? And it's a roof for a lifetime. There's really no need to do anything about it, and it's not going to corrode on edges.